Yeah, yeah. If I don't know what to do with my life. All I wanted to do when I was born was be famous. I wanted to be a millionaire. Wanted to be number one. Everybody told me I could not do it. Look at me now. Just look at me now. I'm a millionaire. I'm like Batman. I'm not Robin. Robin's a little piece of shit. Look at him. Now, everybody thought I would not be this way. No, 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 no. Look at me now. Now look at me now. I'm the king of all you little dipshits. Yeah, if you ask me why I'm crying, I'll just say that I'm just allergic to dipshits. Yeah, little dipshits, now get away from me. You thought I would never be famous or anything. Now look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now, look at me now. I am king of kings. I am the best warrior. I am King Elson, Elson now. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I got all the chicks, I got all the fame, I got everything, and just look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now.